Uganda has achieved a moderate overall score in implementing the 2019 Extractive Industries Transparency Initiative Standard, which is 78.5 points out of 100, an average score of 3 components, that is to say outcomes and impact, transparency as well as stakeholder engagement. However, the country achieved a fairly low score of 67.5 points on transparency as discrepancies persist in disclosure of data on gold mining, oil contracts, among other minerals.
That's why they didn't score us as high as maybe the 90% or the 100%. But we are in discussions with all of government.
A research fellow from Advocates Coalition on Development and Environment says that illicit gold mining and conflict in minerals will persist as long as government does not formalize the sector.
How much we use before we know how much we produce. This is because we never had formal mines because of the dominance of the sector by artisanal small-scale gold miners. So there were no documentation related to the statistics, related to the production figures, because the whole process was not formalized.
And in both reports, the data has shown that the amount of gold that goes out of Uganda is more than the amount of gold produced. So the question is, why do we have that imbalance?
The Extractive Industries Transparency Initiative Board has determined that Uganda will have until July 2026 to carry out corrective actions, and failure to demonstrate progress in the next validation may result in temporary suspension in accordance with Article 6 from the EITI Standard. Ronana Habwe, NTV Business.